Hello everyone. The excretory system of human beings collects the liquid waste of the body and help to get rid of them. It consists of two kidneys, ureters, bladder and urethra. The kidneys are bean-shaped organs at the back of our body just above the waist. Every person has two kidneys. The blood in our body is constantly passing through our kidneys. The renal artery brings in dirty blood into the kidneys. The function of kidney is to remove the poisonous substance like urea, other waste, salt, excess of water from the blood and excrete them into the form of the yellowish liquid called urine. The clean blood is carried away from the kidney by the renal vein. The ureters, one of each kidney, opens into the urinary bladder. Ureters are the tubes which carry urine from the kidneys to the bladder. Urine is stored in the bladder. The bladder is a bag which stores the urine till the time we go to the toilet. The urine collected in the bladder is passed out from the body through urethra. Each kidney is made up of large number of excretory units called nephrons, which is cup-shaped bag at its upper end called the Bowman's capsule. The lower end of the Bowman capsule is a tube which is called tubule. The Bowman capsule and the tubule taken together to make a nephron. One end of tubule is connected to the Bowman capsule, the other is connected to urine collecting duct of the kidney. Of blood capillaries which is called glomerulus. One end of glomerulus is attached to the renal artery which brings the dirty blood containing the urea waste in it. The other end of the glomerulus comes out of the Bowman capsule as the blood capillary surrounds the tubule of nephron and finally joins the renal vein. Understand the working of the human excretory system. The dirty blood containing waste like urea enters the glomerulus. The glomerulus filters this blood. During filtration, the substances like glucose, amino acids, salts, water and urea present in the blood passes into the Bowman capsule and then enter to the tubule of the nephron. When the filtrate containing useful substances as well as the waste substances passes through the tubule, then the useful substances like glucose, amino acids, many more salts and water are reabsorbed into the blood through the blood capillary surrounding the tubule. Only the waste substances, urea, unwanted salts, excess of waste remain behind the tubule. The left liquid behind in tubule of the nephron is called urine. The nephron carries this urine to the collecting duct of the kidney from where it is carried to the ureter. From ureter, the urine passes to the urinary bladder. Urine is stored in bladder for some time and ultimately pass out of the body through urethra. The infection in the kidneys, injury to the kidneys, high blood pressure or high blood sugar can damage the kidneys due to which they stop working. Complete failure of kidneys allow the urea and other waste products to build up in the blood. The one best long-term solution for kidney failure is kidney transplant. The damaged kidney is removed and matched kidney donated by a healthy person is transplanted in the place by the surgical operation. Otherwise, the patient with kidney failure is treated periodically on the kidney machine by the process called dialysis. The kidney machine can do work of damaged kidneys. This is also known as artificial kidney. The process of cleaning out the blood of a person by separating the waste substances urea from it is called dialysis. The dialysis is done by a machine that is called dialysis machine. The blood from the artery in the patient's arm is made to flow into the dialyzer of a dialysis machine made of long tubes of selectively permeable membrane that is of cellulose, which are coiled in a tank containing the dialysing solution. Thus, the dialysing solution contains the water, glucose, salt, and in similar concentration to that of the normal blood. As the patient's blood passes through the dialysing solution, the most of the waste like urea present in it pass through the selectively permeable cellulose tubes into the dialysing solution. The clean blood is pumped back into the vein of the patient's arm.